guys, today we are unboxing the, here it is, here's Miss Girly, the superstar, knows how to do this stuff. Okay, so it's our first time. Wow, look at that. That is called a milk grinder. I mean, a nut milk maker. Wow, you can take, they said, your coconuts. It does coconuts, cashews, almonds, peanuts, what else? Yeah, cashews, we said that. I think even sesame seed, all that good stuff, and it makes milk for you. What does that say? Turn on life. Wow, it's far cheaper than going to the supermarket and paying like $6 for your almond milk. Why not make your own almond milk? There is the thing. So it's not small. Hopefully, they did say coconut. I hope it's strong enough to keep up, to stand up to the coconut, because the coconut can be very very harsh, because sometimes the shell stays on. But hopefully it really follows through and durable enough. But cashews are easy, peanuts, almonds. And I used to use just a grinder, but now I wanted to have an own milk maker, right? And you could get a bigger one than that, but I chose not to, because I find a lot of them, when you make like a little, say, glass of milk, and after like 2 days or something, the milk is spoiled because it doesn't have all the preservatives you get out of the supermarket. So I thought that's big enough to make a glass of milk, and put it in the fridge or drink it. Wow, what are these little spoons? I guess, wow, I guess that must be, I don't know, to stir in it or to share it or to take out your almonds and put it in there. But we will find out that, okay, that's the power cord. And, but yeah, because people are crying about all the preservatives and stuff that's in our almond milk or cashew milk, and it's expensive. And we're all talking things are expensive, which they are. So I thought, why don't we just start making? And is that one made out of glass, Girly? Is that great? Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, and I'm so happy to find a glass one, because those of you who know me, I'm just trying to be, even the plastic with PBA and all this other chemicals come out of plastic. I was so happy to find a glass one. I'm really, and then you plug it in. There's a plug-in, and well, I guess what we're going to do is probably rinse it first, and then, oh, then, so that one, then you what, select, you select what you're doing, whether it's coconut, almond, peanuts, whatever, right? You choose the different ones there. So yeah, we will read up on the log, but I just want to show you guys as we unbox it. Great way to make your own milk. There are nice recipe book. Cool. And then we learn what all the settings. Check that out. All the recipes. Oh my goodness. Hemp milk. I forgot to tell you guys that. Hemp milk is very good. It's expensive. And it's showing you recipes for that. The index. Cool. Soy. Soy seeds are hard to do. So I'm hoping this machine will stand up to soy. We will do a video later to show you guys how it's standing up, how it's grinding the different nuts. But yeah, walnuts, yeah. So that's here's a great way to save money, guys, making your own homemade milk. Thank you, Miss Girly, Miss Producer.